What up, YouTube? This is your president, the presidential tourist, back with another video. I got something cool here. This is a sample box of Warheads Soda. Interestingly, I reviewed one about a couple weeks ago that I picked up a couple weeks before that at like some novelty gift store. So I'm looking around and I found the sample pack. Now this doesn't include all the flavors that Warheads makes for their pop, but it does have 5 of them. Lemon, green apple, watermelon, black cherry, blue raspberry. Now, I'm going to review each of these. I don't know if I'm going to include it with this unboxing video to show you, or I'm going to do it in its own separate video. But you will see them all together, reviewed in all one video, and then you'll see individual videos for individual flavors, just in case someone wants to look just up like a particular flavor that I reviewed or not. Yes, I actually did the green apple one. I won't be filming that again in its own video because I don't really need to. But it's on YouTube now, but as of me filming this, I don't believe I have it live yet. But okay, let's go. Because I'm not gonna, when I do review all these, I'm not gonna do them all at once because it's a lot of sugar. Here it goes. Look at this. Cool. Oh, this was $17.99 for this. When I bought the green apple one individually, that was $3.99. Comes with this cool card. Come on. Awesome. Alrighty, here is the green apple, which is delicious. I will, when I film this all together, I will just, I'll try that again. But like I said, I'm not going to put it in its own video again. This should be delicious. Blue raspberry. Ooh. Ah, watermelon. You don't get too many watermelon sodas. I've only tried, I think, a couple. Very cool cans. Black cherry soda. And lemon. This will be interesting because most citrus pops, you know, like Sprite, Mountain Dew, 7-Up, Sierra Mist when it existed, and then Starry, they're all basically lemon lime sodas. There's not too many pops, at least here in the US, that's just lemon or just lime. There's some, but you have a tendency, if they find either or, they're like more. I found more lime flavored pops than lemon flavored pops. And I tried, I think, only maybe one other that was just lemon. And I think it was a Fanta. And it was from, I believe Europe someplace. I don't remember now. So this should definitely be interesting. I don't know why there's not more lemon ones. It's really delicious. Lemon lime goes great together, but they also go really well separate too. So this I'm looking forward to trying. But yeah, that is it. I am definitely going to review these. I don't know if I'll review any today. This one's damaged. Luckily it didn't pop or nothing, so it should be okay. Check the expiration. Yeah, these are good until May 49th. Wow, 2025. And it is now September 9th, 2023. So this has like a couple years shelf life. Well, Warheads knows what they're doing because most, well, this one's bent too on top. Because most commercial pops, you know, you get like Coke or Pepsi, and they're practically, well, you buy them brand new at the store and they expire like 3 months later. I think they do that on purpose. This one's April 21st, 2025, so I'm glad that Warheads does that. I don't know why the bigger companies do that. But this here, this is a Warheads one. It's more of a novelty because I mean, $17.99 for 5 cans of pop is expensive. Like I said, when I bought individually, it was what, $3.99 for the 1 can. So I gotta put that stick card back in there. So I don't think they're meant to be, you know, as available as like Coca-Cola or Pepsi. They're more, like I said, more of a novelty. But yeah, I will do those. I don't know when. Hopefully soon. I'm more than likely going to add, well, I don't know. I'm thinking about it. I'm not sure. If I decide to add that to this video, you'll see right after this. If not, the review of all of them together will be separate from this. I don't know. Actually, I might put that separate. Because there might be some people who don't want to see both of them or whatever. Plus, when I review it, it's going to be a pretty long video because I'm going to do each of them. I don't want to talk about each. Yeah, any comments or questions, let me know. That was like, I think that was $17.99. It's not that hard to find if you want to do it. And if they're anything like the one I already tried, the green apple one, they're fantastically delicious. Good quality. So I'm looking forward to reviewing each of those for you on this channel. Any comments or questions, let me know. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to talking again soon. Alright, bye everybody, bye.